Today we are going to learn how to create a Luma Fade Transition, a classic effect often used in movies. Let's get started. I have two video layers placed side by side. This is the first layer and this is the second. Now head over the effect control panel and search for the gradient wave effect. Apply this effect into the top of the layer and then go to the effect control. Here you will find the gradient wave setting. First we will enable the keyframe for transition completion and set it value to 0%. Then move forward a little to the timeline and set the value to 100%. This will create a smooth transition between the video layers. Now when we play the video, you will see a beautiful transition. To make the transition, hold for a moment and add a still keyframe where the value stays the same. Move a little further in the timeline and press Alt to copy that keyframe. Since the middle two keyframes share the same value, the transition will pause briefly with the beginning and end keyframes. Smoothly move from 0 to 100%. To make the transition even smoother, we will apply ease in and ease out effect. You can also sense the direction of the transition by turning on the invert option. For more fun transition like this, be sure to click out our others video. Thanks for the watching.